Hi, my name is Judy Zakin, and I'd like to introduce myself to the class. As my name, if not my face, reveals, I'm an older student. In fact, I've never met a younger Judy. The once popular name went out of style circa 1960, replaced, I think, with Jennifer. Anyways, this is my second course in the Quinnipiac IDN Graduate Certificate Program, and I'm very excited to be here. I recognize a few familiar names from and faces from last semester, IDN 525, and it's nice to see you again and happy to meet the rest of you too. I reviewed all of your introductions as predictably I am amongst the last to contribute. I have been ready for days, just camera shy with a tendency to not do anything today I can delay till tomorrow. I'm a great appreciator of the importance of thoughtful design, specifically in education delivery, but broadly well beyond that. I admire great designers yet have a long-standing insecurity with my own design talent. Because of that, I have long subscribed to the adage that talent creates while genius imitates. I copy a lot. If it is truly the greatest form of flattery, well, then I flatter many. Growth mindset. Through this course, I hope to learn design principles that I can apply to my goal of becoming a great business instructor. I love technology, but it does not come easy to me. I am looking forward to being surrounded by so many talented students in an academic environment to gain both exposure and practice to new technologies. I've seen a lot of technology evolve. My first PC cost $2,500 circa 1985 and had a 2 gigabyte partitioned hard drive, state of the art at the time. While I have been an adjunct teacher in a local community college for years, alongside my professional business career, now I am retired from the corporate world and dedicated to education as kind of an encore career. Most of my career was in market research and product development in the life insurance industry. So I often describe to people as being paid to go to school. And when contemplating what I would do if I won the lottery and money was no object, I'd go to school. I love the educational environment. It's what I want to do. My dad taught until he was 80 years old, and I'm going after his record. So let's get started. Again, thank all of you, and I am very excited to participate in the class.